Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. And so in this video, we're going to be testing the run out on a Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic floor drill press. This particular model is the item number 61487. It's a 17-inch, 16-speed drill press. So before we do the run out, I'm also going to show you how to take the chuck off, just in case you need to clean it, because it's in good practice every once in a while. Take it out, clean it up, especially if you do a lot of use on it. If you don't do much, you probably don't need to clean it. But if you're starting to get bad run out, taking it out, cleaning it, probably is going to solve a good bit of that. So let's go ahead and come on in, and I'll show you how to take off the chuck, and then we're going to test. Alright guys, now before I set up to test out the run out, I want to show you how to take your chuck off to clean it. And now there's, first you want to do is you want to lower this down and lock it in place. And once it's locked in place, you ought to have a wedge that comes with it, and you stick it right in there. And once you can't push it anymore with your finger, you take a hammer. I recommend using a brass hammer to hit it so you don't mar up this end. And just smack it until it falls out. Raise your table up so you can have it where it's not too far from it, so it won't damage it and fall down. So, and then after you get it cleaned, now let's say you don't have a wedge. You can always use a block of wood and hit it right here on the edges, and hit the block of wood with the hammer so you don't mess it up. So you could do it like that, but I suggest using a wedge. I would, if you don't have a wedge, I would make one or buy one that would fit in there that's made for it. Okay? So after you get it clean, lower the table down. Put this up as high as you can with your hand. Once you put it up as high as you can with your hand, your table lowered, you take a rubber mallet and hit the bottom of it. Make sure the teeth that grip your bits is in so you don't damage them. And you pop the bottom with a rubber mallet. And you could hold a board on it, but I just hit it with a rubber mallet. It ought to be fine. And it goes in, and then you're good. You're good to go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set up what I have to set up, the gauges, so we can test for run out. All right, guys, we're right here set up, and so let's go ahead and spin this chuck a few times to see how much that needle moves, to see how much run out do we have. Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos all the way to the end. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope everything I do show you in these videos that that I do explain them well enough for you to understand them. But I do greatly appreciate it. But I do have links down in the description if you want to support this channel through affiliated links and whatnot. But as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like if you found value in this material, and I'll see you in the next video.